Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Discord. So to do that, first go to your Google search bar and type ChatGPT Discord bot. So over here you can see ChatGPT Discord bot. Now all you have to do is log in with your Discord account over here. Now click on authorize. Alright, so now let's search for ChatGPT. There you go, this is our bot. Click here, click on invite this bot, and then select your server that you want this to install. So I'm going to click here and click authorize. So there you go, your ChatGPT Discord bot has been added. So yeah, that is how you can install ChatGPT in your Discord. So I'm just going to show you how to use it quickly.
Alright, so over here you can see various options that you can use with this Discord bot. So all you have to do is follow these commands and you'll be able to use ChatGPT in your Discord server. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.